guys, so this video, as you can see behind me, is going to be very interesting and hopefully it is going to be of your own interest. So do not proceed with this video without having subscribed to our YouTube channel.
The pain.
कितने cute है ना?
Where's the place to sit, but there's no place to sit inside. Yeah, the car looks beautiful. So now you must have already made out where are we, right? We are at one of the classic car museums of Sharjah, and look at the place around. Now we will try to cover as much as possible. It's 6 o'clock right now, and museum closes at 8 o'clock. So we have still 2 hours to go, and there are wonderful old classic cars around us. So let's see. So this is our first car, which is Land Rover. And look how Land Rover used to look then.
This car is such cute.
Yeah, this is kind of Mini Cooper, I think.
Is this Mini Cooper?
Yes, it is.
Oh wow. Oh, they have Instagram page also. Mini.ua.
Yeah, in case you want to follow.
Yes.
So guys, let us move ahead now. Mini UAE. In case you want to follow them on Instagram.
And look at this mirror over here. Look.
Can you sit inside?
Shall I?
Can we open it? Just see.
No.
It's locked, right? Oh, it has an extension also. So this is how it looks. तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हो कि कितनी बड़ी जगह है, राइट? एक्चुअली म्यूजियम उधर है. वो जो बिल्डिंग है वो म्यूजियम है, और ये सब कार्स बाहर रखे हुए हैं. तो आई एम श्योर इससे बहुत ज़्यादा और बहुत यूनिक कार्स अंदर रहेंगे. तो अभी हम एक एक करके कार्स कवर करते जाएंगे इस व्लॉग में, क्योंकि इस व्लॉग का इंटेंशन तो वही है.
अभिषेक, हम अब तक ये प्लेस पे क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि कितनी मस्त जगह है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे वैरायटी ऑफ कार्स एकदम
बहुत ज़्यादा है. हाँ, और हम पहली बार आए हैं.
और ये बाहर है, अंदर जाके तो और दिखाई देने पड़ेंगे.
ये कौन सी कार है? कुछ एम्बेसडर टाइप कार है. इसमें से कोई भी कार का मुझे पता नहीं है. हाँ, ये सुजुकी की कार है.
कार इतनी छोटी क्यों?
दिस लुक्स वेरी क्यूट, राइट?
तो क्या पिछले जमाने में लोग भी छोटे थे कि क्या?
Look here. So Swagata, how many of the cars will you kept inside? Because there are so many of them just outside, as I said.
Seriously, even I also feel same.
So look here, guys. Now, as you can see, my dial mom busy in taking pictures.
वो जोश में है, ये सब विंटेज कार देखता है ना पापा?
Yes, of course.
और मम्मी फोटोग्राफ का काम कर रही है.
क्या cars है यार? All of them look really nice. And this is very special, it looks like. Let's see how it looks from inside. So it has got 2 seats, and then there's a gear in between, this wooden steering, and this looks to be what? Indicator. And look at his big tires. Can you hear some sound, guys? The plane landing happens there. So Sharjah airport is just next to museum. It's not very near though. It's very far, of course, because it's a airport, right? But then landing can be watched from very close, standing out here. हाँ, स्वागत है. अमिताभ बच्चन, राजेश खन्ना के मूवीज में ये कार.
ये प्लेस ना फोटोशूट के लिए एकदम बेस्ट.
हाँ, एकदम बेस्ट है. सही. Hey guys, so now is the time to enter this Sharjah museum building, and let's see how much we can explore more.
So Abhishek, are you excited?
Very much. Let's go.
Let's go.
So we just happened to come inside the club, and look at this car. It's so adorable, right? It's fully made up of wood. Yeah, it looks really nice. So
Car is made in Indonesia.
yeah, look at the structure. And then there's some information over here. Now let's go behind.
Oh, they have proper arrangement of seating also. And look at this handbrake.
Yeah, so as you can see, they have proper
Even
sitting
tire also
arrangement.
here. Even
Extra
tire.
tire also is there. Now I don't know whether it really functions on the wooden tires, but then all of these they have made up of wood. Even the gear.
They have classic cars. If anyone is interested, please call on this number.
So we have entered the car museum right now. We just got our tickets. It's 10 dirham per person. So it's 4 of us. We paid 40 dirham for 4 of us. And then they allow even videography. That is something interesting, right? Because there are so many unique different cars over here, and it is really nice to capture them. So let us start one by one. So guys, we are about to start a tour of very special cars. Now first thing first, we have a Dodge car over here. Can you ever imagine that Dodge car would look something like this then? Look at this, it's very big car. I mean, 4 of them can sit very comfortably there, and 2 of them in the driver's seat and then adjacent to it. Then we have got some of the Ford cars over here. Which one you liked? You tell me which one you like now. I think the blue color looks very attractive, right?
No, I like this one.
Yeah, that's an orange colored and that looks very cute. I would agree to that. So let us take them to near the place where the information is there.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, the first I said the Dodge car is there, right? So let's take them to Dodge one.
This is from Italy.
This is from Fiat, yeah.
Oh, is it Fiat?
Fiat is Italy brand, yeah.
Oh.
So guys, as you can see, there are a few more cars over here which look little similar to the first 5 or 6 cars. Now what is this?
Maximum speed of this car is 72.
Only 72 kilometer per hour? Yeah, but then it should be really high, right? 72 kilometers at that time. And this is also a very big car. So let's see from inside. It doesn't open, right? We are not allowed to open anyway. And then this one. So there's a lot of information also along with the cars. There's a lot of information also over here. Oh, they have got some cool bikes as well.
Oh, wow.
What is this? Which brand it is?
Indian Scott motorcycle.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, because this looks very similar to Bullet.
And even this bike also have this.
Yeah.
It's so interesting actually.
Oh, this one is really giant. This is beast. Yeah, it's Rolls Royce.
Wow.
Even modern Rolls Royce also have got same kind of front part, right?
And the speed is 80 km per hour. तो दोस्तों चलो अभी बढ़ते हैं आगे और देखते हैं पुलिस की कार्स कैसी होती थी तभी। तो ये 2 है पुलिस की कार्स और आप 999 कॉल कर सकते हो पुलिस के लिए। अभी भी वही नंबर है लेकिन कार्स अलग है। और ये दूसरी है। This car looks little luxurious, right? Even at that time, although it was designed, it looks luxurious. Oh, it's Mercedes. That's what I was thinking. Car of the speed is 240.
240 km per hour? Oh. So what year was it? 1976. So at 1976, the car speed limit was 240 km per hour. So Mercedes was always designing a very good cars. And then which one we have here? Volvo. Volvo looks like Fiat, right?
One more interesting thing, come here. Sample of old vehicle license.
Oh, these used to be kind of licenses then. तो दोस्तों चलो अभी बढ़ते हैं और मर्सिडीज कार्स की तरफ और ये है ब्लू कलर्ड मर्सिडीज कार फॉलोड बाय ये मर्सिडीज नहीं है लेकिन ये कौन सी है मर्सिडीज बेंज 190 और ये भी मर्सिडीज है इसका सिंबल कुछ अलग है ये भी मर्सिडीज है ये कौन सी है 1939 मर्सिडीज 220 और ये भी मर्सिडीज कार्स है तो दोस्तों जैसा कि आपको पता है कि दुबई इज़ वेरी वेल नोन फॉर ऑल मॉडर्न कार्स एंड वी नेवर गेट टू वॉच और वी नेवर गेट टू सी सच कार्स सो वी जस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ कमिंग टू शारजा म्यूजियम वेयर दे हैव गॉट ऑल दिस विंटेज कार्स नाउ लुक बिहाइंड मी नाउ लेट मी शो वन बाय वन अगेन सो दिस वन आई डोंट नो द ब्रांड Studebaker Champion oh my god some of these brands we have never heard forget about seeing or watching it in the movies or any of the documentaries we have even never heard of these brands
So this car has its boot open. Let's see how much the space is there inside. Oh, it has got engine over here. So I'm sure actual luggage space would be somewhere over here. It's like a few of the sports cars that come with the luggage component in the front. So which brand it is? Looks attractive. It's pretty long as well. My goodness, हम कितने सारे कार्स के बीच में हैं और अभी हम फिलहाल बिखर गए हैं. मम्मी पापा उधर फ़ोटो ले रहे हैं, स्वागता उधर फ़ोटो ले रही है और मैं बीच में ही ब्लॉगिंग कर रहा हूँ. अरे तुम लोग किधर खो जाते हो?
कितनी क्यूट है मेरी हाइट पे. अगर मैं
ये पता है स्वागत है, ये सब ऐसे सारे ब्रांड्स हैं ना जो हमने कभी सुने भी नहीं है.
ये ब्रांड का नाम क्या है?
सिट्रोएन. तो दोस्तों अभी मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ और मैं आया हूँ लैंड रोवर के सेक्शन में. तो ये सब जो है वो लैंड रोवर्स है तभी के ज़माने के. तो ये है फर्स्ट लैंड रोवर. चलो पहले अंदर से देखते हैं. स्ट्रेट सीट, एकदम सिंपल स्टेयरिंग, पीछे लगेज कंपोनेंट पूरा, बैठने के लिए पूरा आड़ा बैठ सकते हो. और ये है इसके स्पेसिफिकेशंस. लाइट वेट लैंड रोवर. Oh wow, this ambulance looks really nice, right? And even the color also is very bright and red.
This ambulance looks like luxury car. Is it?
Right. Let's see inside. Oh, very spacious at the driver's seat. See? Even 3 of them can sit over here. Then there's a bed here kept and enough space to sit for other passengers. Yeah. The good thing is, you know what? They've kept information of all of these just next to the cars. So
They have to mention. That's why it is museum.
so this is Dodge. These are actually trucks, I think. What? They've got pump and all over here. What is this used for? Let's see.
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Ah, that's what I was thinking. So water comes out of that pump. So this used to be like fire brigade, guys. So you can just compare the modern fire brigade and this one. Huh?
Ladder.
Why? I don't know. The ladder must be there inside. Let's see. If it has got ladder, I don't know.
I
No,
think they
nothing is
forgot.
here. No, I think they have taken it out. So now these are some of the Dodge trucks. No, these are Chevrolet trucks. These trucks, you know what they remind me of? Those cartoon characters will be there, right? They'll be also using trucks in some of the cartoons.
वो देख के ही तो कार्टून की सीरीज बनाई है.
What is this now? International D series truck. Oh my god, these are like beasts. All these cars are from Chevrolet and they are really big, guys. So let's go inside. Wow, they're enough spacious as well. Moving on to these ones. These are all Jaguars. 1, 2, 3, all 3 Jaguars. In case guys you're planning to be here, you just see to it that at least you're spending 2 hours because this showroom or museum is really big. You have a lot of cars, and in case you are interested in photography as well, then it will take a lot of time because look around, there's so many cars. Now I really do not know if I'll be able to go all of them today, but I will try because it's still half an hour to go. So which brand is this? This looks really interesting. Big Licta. Oh wow. This looks really interesting. Chevrolet Sedan Delivery 1948. So which one we have got here right now? Triumph. Triumph Tiger तो सुना था, ये क्या है Triumph? Oh. So this is from Netherlands, DF33. Okay, let's drive. But it's only one seater, so I can't sit inside.
Oh.
Okay, I'll let you go alone. But don't speed it up, okay? Be very cautious.
कार चलेगी तो लेनी। Oh, it's automatic?
Why are you not closing the door?
Oh.
Okay. So you already started driving? You banged it somewhere.
How to take reverse?
Okay. See, there's an accelerator there.
Okay. अरे
Accelerator also is there.
Oh wow.
So Swagata is driving the car without license.
अरे ये
Oh
मस्त है।
my God, you're driving it very
Again,
nicely. Oh, but you're banging the car.
Wait.
Time and again you're banging it. Okay, now let's go to the tunnel. Come on. Oh, good. So guys, as you can see, I have just parked my car and I have driven vintage car today. It was awesome fun driving it. It is not actually driving, it's a simulator, to be very honest. But then I was having fun driving on the racing track. So this short video I made just to show you or take you around vintage cars or classic cars or olden cars that Sharjah Museum has, and it's really awesome. You should pay a visit to it if you are around in Dubai, Sharjah, or nearby Emirates. So as I was saying, it's time to end this vlog right here, and I don't know from nowhere Swagata appeared and she just stood on my car. She's disturbing my driving right now, and see you in the future vlogs, because time to have some fun with my family right now, and stay happy,
Stay blessed, stay happy, and enjoy your life and ride.
She's about to bang it, so bye bye.